Every single engineering team running autonomous AI agents eventually hits the same operational wall, the cross-session context cliff. You can have a model perfectly execute a 50-step deployment pipeline, but the moment that terminal session closes, the slate is wiped entirely clean. The agent forgets the nuances of your environment, the undocumented API quirks, and the exact sequence of bash commands that finally worked. Human engineers do not work this way. When a developer spends 3 hours debugging a server configuration, they retain that procedural knowledge. The next time they face the issue, they solve it in 3 minutes. Current agent infrastructure forces you to pay a daily amnesia tax. Operators have to constantly re-explain deployment parameters, edge cases, and strict environment rules at the start of every single session. Relying solely on massive million-token context windows does not fix this limitation.
Re-injecting the exact same static instructions every day creates a costly, repetitive operational liability. The industry standard right now is stateless execution. Tools like Anthropic's Claude Code exemplify this approach. Stateless execution derives its capability entirely from the raw reasoning power of frontier models, paired with static, project-level file context, usually a file like claude.md loaded into the system prompt. It reads the rules, does the work, and resets. The Hermes framework, built by News Research, operates on an opposing premise, the compound agent. The core architectural thesis of Hermes, raw compute cycles must convert into permanent operational leverage. The base relies on 2 layers, ephemeral session context, and a frozen memory.md snapshot injected once at startup. This preserves the prefix cache, keeping inference costs predictable. Above that sits Layer 3, an SQLite database using FTS5 search, retrieving precise states from thousands of past executions in 10 milliseconds. Finally, Layer 4, procedural memory, writing discrete, actionable skill.md documents directly to disk. Stateless paradigms optimize for prefix caching static rules. Compound paradigms engineer a multi-tier memory stack designed to eliminate repetitive reasoning entirely. Most autonomous agents operate on a standard react loop, reasoning and acting. They observe the environment, decide on a tool, execute it, and repeat the cycle until the objective is met. Hermes implements a critical architectural divergence that occurs strictly outside the react loop, the procedural trigger. When the agent successfully completes a complex task requiring 5 or more tool calls, it initiates an autonomous documentation phase. It synthesizes its successful trajectory, the specific commands it used, the errors it bypassed, and the exact order of operations into a reusable Markdown skill document for future retrieval. This is the distinction between factual and procedural memory. It is the difference between knowing the IP address of a server and knowing the exact proven steps to debug its CI/CD pipeline. The system also runs an internal checkpoint every 15 tasks. It reviews its own skill documents and patches them autonomously as it encounters new edge cases, continually refining its own operating procedures. These procedural documents are not locked into the Hermes ecosystem. They strictly adhere to the agentskills.io open standard. Because they use a standardized YAML front matter format, a workflow skill generated by a local Hermes instance can be ingested and executed natively by Claude Code, Cursor, or GitHub Hubpads. Hermes uses these individual interactions to compile a portable, cross-platform library of domain-specific engineering knowledge tailored to your actual infrastructure.
The orchestration wrapper is only half the equation. The compound memory system requires foundation models specifically trained to support it. General frontier intelligence does not automatically translate to reliable, multi-step tool calling stability. It requires a specialized training methodology. This chart outlines DataForge, the synthesis workflow training Hermes models for complex procedural reasoning. At the bottom, synthesized instruction-answer pairs are evaluated against a strict rubric. Only passing pairs are accepted into the training set. Looking at this diagram, the accepted instructions are then routed through specialized answer generators to create hybrid reasoning paths. A specific prompt type triggers a specific verified trajectory through these network layers, mapping the input directly to the target output. These trajectories are then processed by Atropos, an open-source reinforcement learning and rejection sampling environment. Atropos filters the model's outputs through more than 1,000 task-specific verifiers. It rewards strict format compliance and precise tool execution over raw semantic brilliance.
This creates a deliberate trade-off. Hermes 4 will lose to Sonnet 4.6 on zero-shot raw code generation, but it outperforms it on multi-step deterministic persistence, where formatting errors would crash the loop. The developers intentionally traded generalized reasoning breadth for highly specialized, long-horizon operational stability. Deploying a compound agent on production infrastructure introduces practical realities and hidden costs. There is a distinct token tax. Hermes reflection, progressive disclosure, and compression loops introduce a 15 to 25% token overhead compared to flat execution models. There is also configuration complexity. Core compounding features, like the Honcho learning system, are disabled by default. They require deliberate CLI configuration and active memory management, and the generated procedural skills have strict boundaries. They are highly domain-specific. A skill written for managing a Docker swarm will not generalize to an unrelated problem set. Deploying Hermes effectively requires an active engineering operator willing to curate its memory systems to achieve a return on investment. To evaluate whether a stateless or compound deployment fits your architecture, we look at a 4-axis decision matrix. First is duration. You assign single-session, isolated sprints to Claude Code and multi-week compounding deployments to Hermes. Second is the quality ceiling. Assign peak zero-shot code fidelity to Claude and cost-controlled sufficient execution to Hermes running locally via a llama. Third is compliance. Standard API deployments go to Claude, while highly sensitive air-gapped environments belong to Hermes' MIT-licensed local setup. Fourth is overhead. Claude offers instant readiness, while Hermes demands an intensive configuration requirement in exchange for its high long-term returns. Enterprise teams achieve the highest ROI by combining these two paradigms into a single unified stack. Hermes functions best as the persistent orchestrator node, managing long-term memory, skills, and overall strategy across your systems. From that position, Hermes can seamlessly dispatch discrete, high-complexity subtasks to a Claude Code executor node, bridging the gap using the shared agentskills.io standard. Real-world scaling comes from pairing compound procedural memory with frontier execution capabilities.